8 years of trust, 30,000 square feet of roof. Welcome to Kotol Films. A landmark that stands tall not just in structure but in the relationship between a client and their builder. Kotol Films is a leading manufacturer of high-performance coated films serving diverse industrial packaging needs. With a strong focus on innovation and quality, the company delivers precision, engineered film solutions for global applications. Their advanced facility reflects a commitment to technology, efficiency, and consistent product excellence. I am here today at the newly completed Phase 2 of Kotol Films, and the story behind this facility is one of partnership, precision, and an extraordinary team that made the impossible look effortless. I am talking about Bharuka Constructions Private Limited. When Kotol Films first envisioned their expansion, they didn't look for a new builder. They called the same team that built their foundation literally. BCPL had already delivered Phase 1. And when Phase 2, a stunning L-shaped 30,000 square foot industrial shed, needed to become a reality, there was only one choice. That's what 8 years of delivering excellence does. It earns you faith. And Bharuka Constructions has earned every bit of it. But great projects rarely come without great challenges. In Shed 1, the very plot itself changed at the final stage. After excavation, footing, and murum filling had already been completed. For most teams, a last-minute plot change would be a crisis. But for BCPL, it was just another problem to solve. Calmly, efficiently, without delay. And then there was Shed 2, where the real test began. From the very first day of excavation, the team hit chemical-contaminated water at just 3 feet depth. Every single column footing faced this challenge. Dewatering pumps were deployed immediately. The black soil was excavated and replaced with murum. Not a single day was wasted. Look at this roofing. What you see above you is the result of intricate design, drawings, precision manufacturing, and flawless on-site execution. This wasn't a standard roof. This was engineering artistry. The floor alone tells a story. 28 chambers and trenches were constructed, each perfectly positioned for the client's specific machinery requirements. And when those very machines arrived and their alignment didn't match the pre-built beam positions, they didn't blink. Without unloading a single machine, the team reworked the beam and column heights on the spot, ensuring perfect alignment and zero production delay for the client.
I am Pawan Maheshwari in Bharuka Construction Private Limited. From last 3 years, we are working in Kotol Films. My left side, there is an old building, and right side is a new building, which we have manufactured in 8 months. Means from September 2025 to April 2026. We have completed this building in all manner. With the trimix, this trimix of floor we have completed in 15 days only with the surface hardener help. इस प्रोजेक्ट में हमको काफ़ी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आई थी, जैसे कि प्लांट थे बीच में, उन सब प्लांट्स को हमने प्लांट को ट्रांसफ़र किए हैं और सब अलाइव हैं। आप मेरे राइट साइड में भी देख सकते हैं, इधर ये प्लांट लगाए हैं हमने, सड़क के बाजू में किए जो कि पहले बीच में थे करके, तो इन सबको हमने शिफ्ट किए हैं और सब अलाइव हैं। तो जो नेचुरल को डिस्टर्ब हो सकता था वो सब हमने ध्यान में रखकर ये पूरा प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट किया। दिस ट्रिमिक्स फ्लोर लेड इन जस्ट 15 days was made possible by BCPL protective use of Sika surface hardener, allowing rapid curing, so Kotol Films could begin machine installations ahead of schedule. Here's what separates good builder from a great one. It's the details no one asked for.
BCPL built temporary ramps to bring machines in safely and remove them cleanly once the job was done. They left strategic openings in the walls for machine entry, and only after installation was complete did they close those gaps with windows, chhajjas, shutters, and fire doors perfectly finished. When they noticed that shutter covers installed on the inside floor would accumulate dust on the production floor, they suggested moving them outside. A small idea, a big impact on Kotol Films' product quality.
My association with Bharuka Constructions Private Limited began in 1995 when they constructed my first factory in Waranasi. It was about 20,000 square feet construction, and the association continued from that time onwards. In 2011, we constructed another factory, and that was about 40,000 square feet. That was also constructed by Bharuka Constructions. This factory was constructed in 2018 at DMIZ Shendra. This is about 45,000 square feet. This was also constructed by Bharuka Constructions. And now the next factory that is coming coming up is approximately 45,000 square feet. That is also constructed by Baruka Constructions. We repeating Baruka Constructions for all our construction activities because they are so helpful. We can make many mistakes during planning, but they are willing to correct them. They are willing to accommodate our mistakes. They can construct really fast. For instance, the construction of this adjoining factory began on the 4th of January 2026, and now we are at the end of April and we are planning to commission this plant by 15th of May 2026. So the construction of the building, erection and commissioning all taking place in about 5 months. So this speed of construction, I have not seen anyone doing that. The quality of construction is immaculate. His staff, his supervisors are very keen on quality construction, and overall we are extremely satisfied with the performance of Baruka Constructions.
Baruka Constructions Private Limited delivered on time, on vision, above expectation. Kotal Films trusted BCPL not once but twice. And what stands behind me is the reason why. If you're looking for a construction partner who doesn't just build structures but builds trust, solutions and lasting value, there's a name you need to know. Your every challenge becomes a milestone and every project becomes a legacy.